I'm on. Hi everyone, I just wanted to send out a quick message to all the viewers to watch my channel here. You probably know that I do live in Australia, and in this present time Australia is suffering probably unprecedented fire season. Just want to let you know that my family and I are perfectly safe. We're in Townsville, which is in Queensland, and it's in the northern end of Australia. Whilst there's fires around, there's nothing to the scale of what's happening down in the south east of Australia and probably South Australia. They're having some pretty catastrophic fires down that way. So we're fine up here. This time last year we had tremendous floods. The whole city was pretty much flooded at this part of the world, and now the southern part of the country is probably having something far worse than the floods, and that's the fires. And my heart goes out to all those people that are losing all their worldly goods and are suffering and have lost loved ones. And thank you to all those firefighters and all those participants down there making a difference, helping out, and all the contributions people are making around the world, and all the well wishes and prayers and all those sorts of things. That's wonderful, and that's the true spirit of humanity coming through, and makes me proud. So thank you everybody for sending in emails and checking on me. It's really wonderful, and God bless. Thank you very much. Prayers for the people down south in South Australia and New South Wales, Victoria. Cheers.